What's up, everybody? Ben Barredo here, and I'm out here in New Market, Tennessee, and I want to show you a property. This is a gorgeous property, currently listed at $709,000. It is 1525 Fielden Store Road, and again, it's located here in New Market, Tennessee. It looks like my tripod's starting to get a little crooked. But this home was built in 1999 and it's sitting on about 10 acres. And I want to take you inside and check it out real quick, and then I'll show you a little bit of the outside. As you pull up to the house, you can see the garage is right beside, is facing you when you pull up. This is obviously the view of the property, and it's pretty amazing. I mean, it's a $1 million view. It's gorgeous. One thing I look for when I walk around a property is to feel the flooring and just to give me an idea of the structure. If there's going to be a lot of the saggy spots in the floor, it's usually a sign of poor care. But this house feels solid all throughout. I don't think I felt a single spot that made me even raise an eyebrow. So as you can see, when you walk in, you have this ante room that opens to the kitchen, the dining, and the living room. I love this fireplace. It is bordered with marble. This looks into the living room of the house, the main living room. Huge, gorgeous room, vaulted ceilings that go, I don't know, 30, 40 feet high. It's just an incredible view through that window. That goes to a bedroom and a full bathroom, and going under the stairs in that corner will take you to a second bedroom, a full bathroom, and then the master bedroom. This is just the first smaller bedroom, which it's actually pretty big. You have a closet here. Incredible view. This house is just, it has all the views from every window is just gorgeous. The landscaping is really nice, in my opinion. There's not a lot of space in that backyard, but I mean, I don't know what kind of space you're looking for. I don't know how active you are in your yard. Okay, so you have a full bathroom here. It does have that same peach tone to it, but I personally don't mind it. It does kind of have like a hotel feel. I'm going to speed up the time lapse on the video a little bit, but we'll continue to give you a normal voiceover, and I'll slow it down if I feel necessary. So this is the master bedroom and the master closet. As you can see, there's a enough space for both his and her stuff, with a wall in the middle that adds some space. Here I just wanted to show you that there are manuals and receipts for every major appliance in the house, as well as all the blueprints, and as you can see, there are photos for every stage of repair. Again, the master bedroom going into the master bath. I know you asked me about the pink. It's actually peach throughout, kind of pretty similar to the other bathroom, except the marble, it has a different design in it for both the floor and the countertop. You have your private bathroom right there, or private toilet. This is just a hallway closet. Making our way to the other small bedroom. It was empty. This opens up to the patio. Then you have this closet again. A great view of the backyard, and again, this one opens onto the patio. You have a coat closet there. We'll make our way into the kitchen. So you have this little breakfast area with huge windows looking out on the mountaintop. It has that sink that faces the window, just like Mark asked for. As you can see, there is great storage and counter space all throughout the kitchen. You won't be lacking for any of that, that's for sure. There's your microwave, like you asked about. Now, you go a few steps down, there's 3 steps. You got your only half bath in the house, which is also a laundry room. You've got your iron board there, but that is a half bathroom. You've got a 2-car garage, which is pretty deep, so you could probably put some store more things in there. Now it did not have an opening to the attic like you guys asked, but I don't think it would be too hard to figure out a way to install a ladder. Going up the stairs, you have 2 bedrooms and a bonus room up here. You have a bedroom at both ends of the hall, and then you have this bonus space right there in the middle. Both the bedrooms are pretty large, not quite the size of the master, but bigger than the rooms below. And this room is the one that has the attic walk-in space, which I think I might take you that to later, but I'll send some pictures of that as well. Those 2 smaller doors access the space between the roof and the interior walls. Going down the stairs. I took you all down here yesterday, but that's okay. Take another look. So this was the huge bedroom / not a bedroom because of the window, but you know, they can count it as a bedroom. It really does. I mean, at that price range, it doesn't really make a bunch of a difference anyway. But it does have a humongous bathroom. I say humongous. It's not really that big. It is. It's just got the long hallway, which makes it feel a little bigger. But it is a full bath. You've got a walk-in closet right here on your left. Which I'm pretty sure I open up. Okay, yeah. And those doors across the room, they just open up so you can access the sub panels for the electricity. They're not closets or anything. You have a little eating area as well as a full kitchen. This accesses the storage area, the water heaters, the laundry room. HVAC unit. Or furnace, that's probably the furnace, to be honest. Down this hall, you have 2 more bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. I saw that you two have older daughters. This would be a great place for them to come and have some privacy. They could stay with their family. Yeah, there's definitely plenty of space for you to entertain, to have family come and stay with you, and for everyone to, you know, have their own space, which is always nice. This is the little patio area below the deck for the master bedroom. And this is the area where I was saying if you wanted to extend it out, you could, to create extra parking. Here we are in the backyard. Now, I think that there's plenty of space from this back door to where those lions are at. It does get a little bit cramped as you walk back in the other direction, but all this space right here is pretty big for running and playing. It's pretty nice. Right through here it gets a little bit cramped, but I mean all you really need access to is to get, you know, maintenance on the air conditioning units. There's gravel here to make sure water drains properly away from the house, and then this you have some open space over here. Here we go, walking up. I wanted to go up and see, you know, how far I had to go before I could really see the entire house. But then I think I got nervous because I'm out in the middle of the sticks and I didn't want someone to chase me with a shotgun. So I started going back down the hill. But no, you do have these bushes right here that I didn't even think about, but those probably block the view into your house pretty well. I didn't even think about that yesterday. Here's that extra third garage, or second garage, detached garage, to park a third car. I took some measurements. I sent those to you in a text. Here's the view again. I wanted to add real quick that I sent you measurements. I had tape measure that I always carry with me to do square footage, and I measured both the back and the side of that detached garage. I'll send that to you. I also am sending you the plat map for the property the property lines. This is a shot of the attic space above the garage. You get to this through the bedroom, and as you can see, it's kind of inconvenient. You really can't get through there unless you step through sideways. So, I mean, you could store things back there, but it would not be easy to get things in and out. I also wanted to record going back down the driveway, and I wanted to show you the house at the bottom of the property. Again, I said it's an eyesore. It's not the prettiest house, but I did get out and I talked to the neighbor, and he's a very nice guy. A disabled construction worker. He has a little farm over there, and he is wanting to sell 5 acres of his property. Make sure to let me know if you have any questions. If you need me to go back out there at some point and answer those questions, I don't mind doing that. Just let me know. There was also an opportunity I had to talk to the man that lives at the bottom of the driveway. His house is a bit of an eyesore, but he is also thinking about selling 5 more acres of property at the top of the hill, which would give you an extra 15 if you were interested. But I'll send you some photos of his house as well. That's it for this video, and again, I'm sorry, I'm used to saying that. Let me know if you need anything. Bye.